Thanks to quick connections, multimedia content, and booming interest, learning online has never been easier or more popular than it is today. The newest trend? Seminars online. But it involves much more than the merger of the podium and the desktop computer. How to communicate and participate with large numbers of people effectively and easily? That's the focus of our next .com report.
During the Renaissance in Europe, tradesmen, artists, and craftsmen of all types began to join together with others from within the same profession in order to form trade guilds.
They met, often weekly, to discuss new developments within their particular industry, to learn new techniques from more advanced members of the organization, and to further the business interests of all involved.
And while the traditional guild still exists, a more modern equivalent might be today's seminar. There, people from all around the country, and often the world, meet together for a specific amount of time in order to teach to and learn from one another. As might well be expected, the advent of the Internet has had a significant impact on the seminar as we move into the 21st century. Located on the web at www.seminarsource.com is a one-stop resource for information about conferences, conventions, meetings, seminars, workshops, and trade shows held for continuing education purposes worldwide. The site is designed to provide web surfers with all the information they need about the meetings they're interested in attending. The site features an easy-to-use search engine to assist users in finding the seminar of their choice by name, subject, keyword, location, or date. Users can even register for updates on events that interest them. People who do this receive notification when additional meetings are added to the current online selection.
Once a user has identified their seminar of choice, they can then register for it using a credit card, all in a safe, secure, encrypted environment.
Thanks to the web, attending one of these meetings no longer has to involve long-distance travel. The site offers users the option of participating in the actual event online by experiencing real audio and video streams of seminar presentations. For seminar promoters, Seminar Source offers a range of options for achieving a wide, possibly global audience by creating a webcast. Participation and attendance can be dramatically increased during and after the meeting by offering seminar content to online attendees. A webcast like this includes internet broadcasts of keynote presentations and conference sessions in real time and on demand. Video and audio tape production and editing services are available, as is an internet news release distributed via internet broadcast PowerPoint slide presentations, a multimedia display complete with live audio-video. In order for this service to be used, viewers will need the following relatively minor capabilities: a 90 MHz Intel Pentium processor or equivalent, 16 megabytes of RAM, a 28/8 modem, a 16-bit sound card with speakers, a color video display card, and of course an internet connection and web browser. If potential attendees don't already have one, they will be directed to download a media player directly from the site. In addition to hosting seminars, the site also offers the opportunity to purchase conference materials like seminar tapes, books, promotional merchandise, all at the click of a mouse button. As with seminar registration, the purchase takes place in a secure online environment.